So how do you start the workers' compensation process? Report your job immediately. You're a hard worker and a good employee. Maybe you don't want to talk about it when an injury keeps you from work. But one of the biggest mistakes you can make under the workers' compensation system, a common mistake many people make, is failing to report your job accident right away. At the first chance you get, tell your boss what happened. Do it immediately. This is always the first step to a successful workers' comp claim. But sometimes people don't tell anyone right after they get hurt. Sometimes they never tell anyone. Big mistake. In fact, in the state of Louisiana, injured workers must report all accidents and injuries to their employers within 30 days. If you wait longer, you could lose access to benefits. Once you notify your supervisor, the responsibility now falls on your employer to make a report notifying their workers' comp insurance company of your accident. And don't downplay how badly you were hurt. Sometimes your injury takes a while to start bothering you. Things may feel worse over time. Don't miss the 30-day window. Report your accident right away. Make sure to take care of yourself so you get the best chance to recover. Get help. Go to the doctor and tell them how you got hurt. The Louisiana Workers' Compensation Act says your employer or their workers' compensation insurer must pay for your medical care. But don't just go out and find your own workers' comp doctors without telling anyone. To make sure you're in the system and getting the health care covered, you need to fill out a choice of physician form. Also, gather information to protect yourself. Make sure you get a copy of the accident report your employer makes, and it helps to write down everything that happened while it's fresh in your mind. Write down what you were doing when the accident happened. Write down why you were doing it. Write down who told you to do whatever it was you were doing when you got hurt. It also helps to make a list of people who witnessed your accident. Put these notes somewhere safe. Claims sometimes get denied. If that happens to you, it can take months to get to court. Having all this information will ease the process. Most importantly, get Mitchell & Associates to help you. The best way to protect yourself and your rights when you're hurt at work is to get an attorney. An estimated 90% of the people who get hurt at work never get legal advice. Some of them never learn how to make a workers' compensation claim at all. The consequences are living with your injuries without help or paying for medical care out of your own pocket. If you're able to start a workers' compensation claim on your own, you'll still have to deal with a claims adjuster. The adjuster pretty much runs the claim. He or she decides what benefits you will get. If you don't know what you're entitled to, he or she won't always tell you. Even the best adjusters sometimes get bogged down with case files. Your case can easily get lost in the system. Having the help and expertise of an attorney ensures that you get what you deserve. If your employer doesn't believe you had an accident, or if they refuse to pay for medical treatment or refuse to pay lost wages, give Mitchell & Associates a call. We know how to maximize your workers' compensation claim. At Mitchell & Associates, we've seen too many good people get hurt by a flawed workers' comp system.
So we make it our mission to get you all the benefits you deserve.
It doesn't cost anything to ask us questions.
We'll provide an assessment of your case for free.
Too hurt to work?
Call us.